Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode where we simplify Flutter one widget at a time. Today's Flutter widget of the day is the wrap widget. So what is the wrap widget? Well, if you have ever used a column or row and your widget overflow off the screen, wrap is here to save the day. Unlike row and column, wrap automatically moves widget to the next line or column when there is no enough space. Here you can see the simple row example with multiple images. If I increase the images, we have got an overflow error. So copy this image, and when I paste down here and run my app, you can notice that there is an overflow error. So simply you can do change row widget to wrap widget. And when you run your app, you can notice that extra widget which overflows shift down to the next row. Now talk about some important properties of wrap widget. If you want to add padding horizontally, you can use spacing and add value here, and when I run my app you can see horizontal spacing between images. But if you want to add vertical spacing, you can use run spacing property and add your value here, and when I run my app you can see that vertical spacing is also added. Now if you want to control the alignment of the widget, you can use alignment property wrap alignment dot center, and when I run my app you can see that these images are centered. Let me show you how much area wrap widget cover. So I can wrap container widget and provide color property color dot red, and when I run my app you can see that the red area, and now you can see this alignment property work well. So this alignment property align widget horizontally. If you want to align widgets vertically, so you can use run alignment. So I can add any value wrap alignment dot space between, and when I run my app there is no changes in the output because the height of the wrap widget is equal to the children. So I can increase the height 300, and when I run my app this property works space between, and you can see that there is space between these two rows. Now if you want to change the direction of the wrap widget, you can easily use direction property axis dot vertical and horizontal. Horizontal is default value, so I can use vertical, and when I run my app the direction of the wrap widget is changed. And that's our wrap widget. If you are building responsive UIs in Flutter, the wrap widget is your new best friend. If you found this helpful, hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment what widget should we cover next. See you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.